Welcome to Strategies for Monetizing Your Social Media. Your instructor is John L Donelson, a financial literacy program coordinator. Thank you for joining us. Let's get started. This is a step-by-step guide to monetize your social media for passive income, including YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Google Business Page. By following these steps, you can start earning passive income from these platforms. First up is YouTube. What you want to start on is to create high-quality content. Focus on creating engaging, high-quality videos that attract viewers. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Once you have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Enable monetization features. Turn on monetization features like ads, memberships, and super chat. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Sponsored content. Partner with brands to create sponsored videos. Sell digital products. Create and sell your own branded digital products like ebooks, courses, or presets. YouTube Premium revenue. Earn from subscribers who pay for YouTube Premium. Next up is Instagram. What you want to do here is build a strong following. Post regularly and interact with followers to grow your audience. Instagram Shop. Set up an Instagram shop to sell products directly from your posts. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and include affiliate links in your bio and posts. Sponsored posts. Partner with brands to create sponsored content. Instagram Live badges. Earn money from fans during live streams who purchase badges. IGTV ads. Monetize longer videos on IGTV with ads. Offer paid subscriptions. Provide exclusive content to subscribers for a fee. Next up is Pinterest. With this platform, you will want to create eye-catching pins. Design visually appealing pins that attract attention. Join the Pinterest Creator Fund. Apply to Pinterest's Creator Fund to earn money from your content. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Drive traffic to your website. Use Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog or e-commerce site. Sell digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks or courses. Pinterest ads. Use Pinterest's advertising tools to promote your products or services. Virtual assistant services. Offer Pinterest management services to businesses and bloggers. One platform that we're all familiar with is Google. To maximize here, you will want to create a blog or website. Start a blog or website focused on a niche topic. Google AdSense. Sign up for Google AdSense to display ads on your site and earn money from clicks and impressions. Affiliate marketing. Write product reviews and include affiliate links to earn commissions. Sell digital products. Offer ebooks, online courses, or printables for sale. Offer online services. Provide services like consulting, coaching, or freelance work. Content marketing. Use SEO strategies to drive traffic to your site. Sponsored content. Partner with brands to publish sponsored posts. Combining these strategies effectively can help you diversify your income streams and achieve passive income. Are you ready to take action? Write a step-by-step process for the best way to monetize. Do you have any specific questions about any of these steps? Please send us an email or leave a comment below. Thank you for your time. Look for other Regis videos and subscribe to our channel.